Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your lost phone is online and that you're signed into the same account on both devices. Open Settings, enable Location Services, and find My or Equivalent. This lets the service report the phone's position. Once done, sign in to the Find My app or web portal from another device using your credentials. This initial alignment is crucial because without an active account session and location enabled, the tracking service cannot locate the device. Once signed in, select the missing device from the devices list and watch the map update. This gives a live or last seen position and battery info. If the location is nearby, tap play sound to ring the phone even if it's on silent. This helps when it's under cushions. If the phone is distant, choose directions to navigate to its location or activate lock/mark as lost to secure your data. These tools let you act quickly and protect privacy while retrieving the device. For final steps, decide whether to recover or secure. If you can safely retrieve the phone, follow directions and ring it. Otherwise, enable lock or erase to protect personal data. Note that erasing removes tracking capability. If the device appears in a risky area, report the location and time to local authorities rather than confronting anyone. If the phone won't show up, make sure the account is correct, the device had power and network, and try again later. Those fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.